Welcome to Manny, Pagan Travel. If you like this kind of content, if you like travel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Currently, I am in Manila, Philippines. The Philippines. And it's a pretty rainy day, unfortunately. Only here for a couple of hours, and we're gonna check out some spots to spend your layover. We're heading back home, New York, but we're here laid over in the Philippines. So, let's go. We're here to eat breakfast at the Aristocrat restaurant. And they say it's one of the best in Manila. So that's why we're here. Let's check it out. Okay, so here in the Aristocrat, I ordered a native plate from the Philippines. So it's longanisa with chicken and pork. It has eggs, it's gonna have fried rice, and it's going to have a hot chocolate, native hot chocolate. So I wanna try that to see how that goes. Josephine ordered the same thing. She ordered the fish plate with eggs and rice. And what did you order, sir?
I ordered ham with eggs and hot chocolate, native hot chocolate. So let's see how that is.
Okay. Okay, so we have this this dressing that kind of smells like Olive Garden dressing. I'm not sure if we're doing this correctly. We might look like idiots right now, but we just put it onto the peppers. And yeah.
So free appetizer. Pepper's not hot. Yeah, I'm done with that.
We just got the native hot chocolate from the Philippines, and it's very thick. Look at it, it's pretty thick.
Very chocolate.
Let's see, let's see. Oh, it's good. It's very thick though. I like it. I like it. All right, food is here. There you go. So let's try what we got here. Good. Pork is good. Let's try the longanisa. I really like the longanisa. That's really good. Good stuff. Same restaurant also has like a bakery section, so it has really nice things to get. All these different cakes, sweets.
Dinner.
Babe, look. Chocolate cake from Matilda.
All right, so that was actually really good. We got also some stuff in the bakery. We got a cheesecake, carrot cheesecake. Wait, what? What did I get? A carrot cake slice, there you go. She got a Rocky Road bar. Probably gonna eat it later. Maybe when we get to the airport, I'll have the slice. But it's really good. I would definitely recommend the Aristocrat here in Manila. So let's go check some other place. Okay, when it's raining, this is one of the bad parts about it. You're just gonna have to do the tours and tour around, look at things in the rain. But we're getting closer to where we're trying to go. It's right there. Oh, let's see. Check it out. Really nice area though.
Babe, you know, you forgot.
Okay, You might say, what happened to the video? So this is where I'm going to explain a scam that they do in the Philippines that gave me a big headache the day that I was in Manila. We were flying from Bali, we flew into Manila, and then Manila we were going to fly into New York, but we had pretty much a 10-hour layover in Manila, and we decided to explore. We were not going to stay in the airport the whole time, so we rented a car and decided to explore Manila. Now, unfortunately, as you guys can see in the video, it was raining all day long, and it was just constant rain. It wasn't stopping, so we didn't get to do certain things that we wanted to visit, like the historic area of Manila, although we did go and we did enjoy some areas that you saw in the video. But something that kind of like really messed up our day there was really getting stopped by these traffic control officers. Apparently in the Philippines, if you're in the left lane and the left lane you have to turn left, then you cannot cross over to the right. Once you get into that lane, if you do cross to the right, then you will be stopped. So we got stopped the first time. There was somebody who was like, basically telling us to go to the side and stop. So we stopped, and he's speaking Tagalog, I'm speaking English. We can't really communicate with each other. I don't understand him, he doesn't understand me. So he tries to get another person on the phone that's trying to explain it to me. And basically what he's trying to say is, well, you can't get out of the left lane once you get into the left lane. We try to protect our motorists from motorcycle motorists from getting killed. So it's a law that happens here in the United States. This law does not really exist. If you're in the left lane, you could always turn right as long as the lane is not solid white. So what ended up happening was I asked him, all right, you're gonna write me a ticket? So he's just going back and forth, doesn't know what to do. And I find out what he's trying to do is he's trying to get me to pay him on the spot so that way I can be let go. And I was not for it. I did not pay the guy anything, and he just kept holding my ID. So what I ended up doing was I took my ID from his hand, yanked it out, and just kept going. They don't have guns. He refused to give me a ticket, but he still kept me there. So I took the ID and just left. Then hours later, the same thing happens. I'm so used to driving in the United States, so I don't understand why they have that rule, although it was explained to me, but then I got stopped again. But this time, they tell me if I don't pay $30-something, they are not going to give me back my ID, and they're not going to let me leave. So I got stopped twice, and they basically did not allow me to leave unless I paid the $30. And I told them, listen, I'm not paying you a dime. Okay, just give me the website, I'll pay it online, and that's it. They told me that their website was down. So I realized that these people were definitely trying to con me, and it seems like it's like a scam that goes all throughout maybe Manila and all of the Philippines. I have no idea, but as a tourist, you have to be careful when you go to the Philippines for these very reasons. There's a lot of scammers out there. That restaurant that you guys saw in the video, there was a lady, I don't know if you noticed, the lady that was behind with an umbrella. That lady came out of nowhere barefoot saying that I had to pay her for parking. And I refused to pay her because I knew that there was nothing there that said that I had to pay her. So what does she do? She basically blocks my vision with her umbrella, my mirror, so that way I can't see where I'm going when I'm backing up because I wasn't going to pay her. So a lot of scams in the Philippines. You have to be careful. I did not have the best experience in the Philippines due to the weather and due to those things that happened to us. But I'm willing to give the Philippines a second chance, and I know that the Philippines is beautiful. They have amazing beaches, beautiful islands, over 7,000 to explore, beautiful places. But I don't think Manila will be a place where I'll be revisiting.
Probably just land there and then take a flight to another island. But that's all I really got from the Philippines. I didn't spend much time there due to the rain. I couldn't get so much videos, but I will be back one day and I'll show you the beautiful areas of the Philippines once I explore them, all right? If this has happened to you and you have any similar stories to this, please comment below and tell me your experience. We'll love to hear what you guys have to say and we'll love to learn from your comments, all right? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care, guys.